Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So this will be a quick one today, but I just wanted to show you something. So I was just changing the oil in my son's car, and he asked if he mentioned that his headlights were real dim, and he could tell that the lenses were real faded, and wondered if there's anything I could do about it. So I said, I don't know, let me try. So I just want to show you. I think the camera will probably pick this up, but if you see how faded that headlight is. I don't know if faded is the right word, compared to this one that I've already done. I'll turn the lights on, maybe you can see it better. All right, there it is with the lights on, you probably can see that better. So faded is not the right word, dull is the right word. The lenses have gotten really bad. So what I've done, which worked really well on the passenger side, and I'm just gonna show you on the driver's side, is I'm just using some buffing cream here. This is the Griot's fast correcting cream, and then my little Porter cable buffer that I've used for buffing out the paint on cars. And I'll show you what I've done, what I did the other side. It seemed to have really good results. Very simple. I know you can buy kits and stuff that do this, but I just thought I'd try to see what I had in the shop here. I'm going to just try to do one section so I get the full effect. Amazing what a difference that makes. Again, I don't know how well the camera can pick this up. I hope it does. So there's the side that I did. There's the dull side. Might help see it a little bit better. So that's a very easy way to clean up your dull headlights. I'm gonna quick finish this up. I'll show you the final result. All right, cool. Big improvement. So this is a fast correcting cream. I've got the regular correcting cream too, which is a little less abrasive. I might just go ahead and hit it with that too, just to make sure that they're as clear as possible. But there you go, super easy solution. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below in case you want to check these products out. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next video.